OnePlus 11. The OnePlus 11 is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is up to 35% faster and up to 40% more power efficient than its predecessor. Whether it's multitasking through apps, watching content or gaming, this smartphone can handle it all with ease. Supported by hardware-accelerated ray tracing, experience best-in-class lighting, shadows and illumination, which overall offers astonishing visuals while gaming. Experience exceptional visual performance like never before on the OnePlus 11. The smartphone comes in two variants, 8GB RAM and a massive 16GB RAM option. Become a multi-tasking champion with the OnePlus 11 as you can seamlessly switch through up to 44 apps at the same time without any lag. A layer of improved efficiency is added by the exclusive RAM meter technology. This in-house machine learning automation feature allocates RAM to different tasks depending on your priority. OnePlus 11 brings to you the third generation Hasselblad camera setup with OnePlus 11 enhanced capabilities. It features a well-rounded 50-megapixel IMX890 primary camera with OIS, 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera sensor, and a 32-megapixel portrait telelens supported by Hasselblad 32-megapixel portrait mode. With its inbuilt natural color calibration feature, elevate your photographs by capturing up to 1.0 photographs in billion colors. Capture amazing low-light, portrait, and ultra-wide photographs with this camera setup as you get sharper and brighter images equivalent to DSLR cameras. Enjoy music with the right depth, good bass, and clarity, which will surely enhance your content viewing experience. OnePlus 11 features a 6.7-inch 2K 120Hz Super Fluid AMOLED AMOLED display. With LTPO 3.0 and Dolby Vision support, consuming video and content or playing high-end graphic games content is simply spectacular. The OnePlus 11 comes with a brand new Cryo Velocity VC cooling system.